Okay, let's get that light bulb out of there with a magnet. It should work, but I gotta take and try to put this thing in the hole and hopefully get it to grab that light. There we go. See? Everything's easy when you got the right tools. And then we just have to pull it out. There we go. And that's how you get something out of something with a magnet. Anybody tell me if I can fix this? I'm not sure what the problem is. Huh. I guess maybe I could solder it. I could glue it. Or I could replace it. Well, folks, you see it. That's the original light from John Deere. And this is the LED light that I put in. I had to replace one burned out one. I got a set of two, so I went ahead and changed them just to see the difference. And you can see on the right hand side there the orange and then the whiter light. So yeah, I think it's going to work out a lot better if I ever have to be in the dark or need to use this for light. But this is on my John Deere D110, and I'll go ahead and show you all what the bulbs look like here shortly. Well, just spun them out, put them in, took that older one out, got that one in, and you should be able to see it. Right there it is. And that one. There it is. Now let's turn them on, see what they do. And there we have it. Nice bright LEDs. So that's how you upgrade your mower to LED light bulbs once the other ones burn out or go bad. Of course, while I was doing that, I went ahead and put a new oil filter on it, emptied the oil, put new oil in it. Got a few other things I did, but overall, the lights are in. Not that I mow in the dark too often, but hey, you never know when you might need light, and this thing would provide it. So that's always a good thing. And let's go ahead and do a nighttime drive just to show you what the light is like when it gets dark. Well, I can say it definitely improved the light. Definitely worthwhile. Pretty good. Yep. The light is definitely bright. It worked. Well, folks, that's it. And that is how you upgrade the lighting on your John Deere D110. And probably a lot of other John Deeres can use these same light bulbs. I'll put a link down below in the description. But hey, remember, hit that like button, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. MACT Garage on Facebook. And hey, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One, Mercy Girl, all that good stuff's gonna have something at the end.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.